Ladies and gentlemen, my video is about furthelesspinfo pop-up windows. As you can see, this pop-up indicates the following message: click Allow to confirm that you are not a robot. So here comes the question: what should your reaction be when you see this pop-up window? Actually, my first straightforward answer is that you should disregard any of these tricky statements. The main purpose of this pop-up is to force you into clicking on the Allow button, and this is the way the intrusive push notifications are enabled. When you click on the Allow, furthelesspinfo becomes permanently attacking your screen with very intrusive ads, and you'll be really fed up to see them permanently. So it is clear that clicking on the Allow button is a serious mistake. I've just made that on purpose to show you how to deactivate these pop-ups manually. Go to the browser menu, click on Settings. Now select Site Settings and Notifications. You may find this website here. You need to click this button and choose Remove. After you do that, the pop-ups should no longer distract your attention. However, I also recommend that you scan your Mac with Combo Cleaner antivirus that you may download through this website, combocleaner.com. combocleaner.com. You will see this Download Combo Cleaner button. That's what you need to use to download the software. After you download it, start the program from the Launchpad, and this is the way the program looks like. Click on Start Combo Scan button and initiate the scanning procedure. Scanning may take a while, and make sure you do not cancel the scan, because it's important that all your Mac operating system is fully inspected. So at the end of scan, you will see a detailed report about all threads that were found by Combo Cleaner during its scanning. You may click on Review Results, and you will find the exact location where the thread currently dwells on your Mac. So you may access this particular location and remove the thread manually, or you may do it automatically, however only with the premium version of the software. Thanks for watching.